morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 ratio applications. In that, exercise 3, first question. The question is given: a length of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeter. What is the given data, Nana? A length of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeter. What is the actual length of the bacteria? What is the actual length of the bacteria? So this is the first case. Next, second case is given: if the length is enlarged 20,000 times. In first case given, the length of the bacteria enlarged 50,000 times. In second case is given the length of the bacteria enlarged 20,000 times. అంటే ఇక్కడ decrease అయింది. ఓకేనా? 20,000 times only. What would be its enlarged length? ఓకేనా? So according to the given data, in first question we want, in first case, what is the actual length of the bacteria. So I am writing the given data here. A length given, a length of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is the given data. I want actual length of the bacteria. Actual length of the bacteria is equals to, that is 5 by how many times it is enlarged, Nana? 50,000 times. So 5 by 50,000, okay na, centimeters. Simply 5 ones అంటే ఈ రిమైనింగ్ జీరోస్ని కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ చేసి ఇక్కడ రాసేస్తున్నాం. అంటే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ, దట్ ఈస్ 1 by, that is equals to what, Nana? 1 by 10,000. Okay, so then 1 by 10,000 centimeter means, then ఎలా రాయొచ్చు మనం? We can write it as 0. There is no space, so that's why I'm writing here like this. 1 by 10,000 centimeter means we can write it as what, Nana? Here down 4 zeros are there, but here only one digit is there, numerator. So that's why you write here 1 after what, Nana? You write 1 2 3 అంటే 1 2 3 4 digits after point పెట్టేస్తే that is 0.1 by 10,000 centimeter means, that is what, Nana? Here down 4 zeros are there, but numerator place lo only one digit ఉంది. So that's why 1 2 3 4, 1 ki beside left side I keep 3 zeros. Then what happened? 1 2 3 4 digits after point పెట్టేసాను, then 0 అంటే 0.001 centimeter. So this is the actual length of the bacteria. Okay. Now in second case is given, if what, Nana? Question: if bacteria enlarged 20,000 times, if the length of the bacteria enlarged 20,000 times, what is its actual enlarged, what is its length of, what is its actual length? ఇప్పుడు 20,000 times enlarge అయినప్పుడు what would be what would be its enlarged length. Okay na? So then its enlarged length is equals to, I don't know, so that's why that is what nana x. Now you come in, let us come to the first case. First case lo first case what is its enlarged length? In first case enlarged length వచ్చేసి వాటిన 5 సెంటీమీటర్ ఉంది. అది ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ ఎన్లార్జ్ అయింది? దట్ బికమ్స్ 50,000 టైమ్స్. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ సెకండ్ కేస్ we don't know. Second case enlarged length is we don't know. That is what nana x అనుకుంటే how many times increase enlarged? If the length of the bacteria enlarged how many times? 20,000 times. So we can write here 20,000. So ఇవి వచ్చేసి ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి? They are in direct proportion. ఓకేనా? డైరెక్ట్ ప్రపోర్షన్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ యూ హ్యావ్ సమ్ ఐడియా. ఒక క్వాంటిటీ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 4x is equals to 20 rupees అనుకుందాం. దెన్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 8x వాట్ నాన్న? ఇట్ బికమ్స్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ హౌ మెనీ రూపీస్? 40 రూపీస్ అవుతుంది. అంటే క్వాంటిటీ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే కాస్ట్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సార్ అవి డైరెక్ట్ ప్రపోర్షన్లో ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ కూడా 50,000 టైమ్స్ అన్నప్పుడు 5 సెంటీమీటర్ వచ్చింది. 20,000 టైమ్స్ అన్నప్పుడు దెన్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా 5 కంటే తక్కువ రావాలి. సో అట్లనే కదా డైరెక్ట్ ప్రపోర్షన్ అంటే. సో నౌ సి లెట్ us see. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ ద రేషియో వాట్ నాన్న? దట్ ఈస్ 5:x is equals to, that is 50,000 is to 20,000. Okay na? Now we know these are what nana? Means. And these are what nana? Extremes. Now product of means ante that is x into 50,000 is equals to product of extremes means what nana? That is 5 into 20,000. So I want x. So x is equals to 5 into 20,000 by 50,000. So simply what I am doing here, 5 ones are okay na? Otherwise ఒక స్టెప్ ముందుకు వేసేద్దాం. 5 into 20,000 means what nana? ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్గా రాసేస్తున్నాం. 5 into 20,000 అంటే it becomes 1 lakh. ఎస్ సార్? 5 2s 10. ఈ 4 zeros పక్కన రాసేస్తున్నాం. 1 2 3 4 అంటే 1s 10s 100s 1000s 10,000s lakhs. 5 into 20,000 means that is 1 lakh. So 50,000 1s 50,000 2s. So x is equals to what nana? That is 2. అంటే its enlarged length x is equals to what nana? That is 2 centimeter. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ 50,000 టైమ్స్ అన్నప్పుడు enlarged length is 5 centimeter. అంటే ఇంక్రీజ్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి, హైలో ఉంది కాబట్టి enlarged length also 5 centimeter. అదే 20,000 టైమ్స్ అన్నప్పుడు 50,000 నుంచి 20,000 అంటే డిక్రీజ్ అయింది కదా. డిక్రీజ్ అయింది అంటే enlarged length కూడా డిక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలి కదా. సో దట్ ఓన్లీ 2 centimeter. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ సొల్యూషన్ ఫర్ ద. Okay students, now the question number 3. The question is given, Shushma has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. Okay, Shushma has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. అంటే ఒక రోడ్ మ్యాప్లో 1 centimeter is equals to what nana? That is 18 kilometers. Okay, she drives on a road for 72 kilometers. What would be her distance covered in the map? ఓకేనా? తన రోడ్డు మీద 72 kilometers డ్రైవ్ చేసింది. ఓకే, దెన్ వాట్ వుడ్ బి హర్ డిస్టెన్స్ కవర్డ్ ఇన్ ద మ్యాప్? అంటే మ్యాప్లో ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది కవర్ చేసినట్టు. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఫర్ యూ? మ్యాప్లో 1 centimeter అంటే దట్ ఈస్ 18 kilometer. బట్ ఆన్ ద రోడ్డు మీద తను ఎన్ని కిలోమీటర్స్ డ్రైవ్ చేసింది? 72 kilometers. అంటే మ్యాప్లో ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ కవర్ చేసినట్టు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, నౌ the given data, given a road map. Sushma has in a road map. In a road map. In a road map, a scale of 1 centimeter is equals to what, Nana? 18 kilometer. Okay. In a road map, a scale of 1 centimeter is equals to 18 kilometer. Sushma, she drives on a road for 72 kilometers. Sushma drives on a road for, or on a road is equals to what, Nana? 72 kilometers. Sushma drives on a road is equals to 72 kilometers. Now the distance covered in the map. The distance covered in the map. The distance covered in the map is equals to, we don't know, మనకు తెలియదు. She drives on a road 72 kilometers, but ఎంత distance map లో కవర్ చేసింది అనేది we don't know, that is unknown. So that's why I am taking it as what, x kilometers అనుకుంటున్నా. Okay, now these two are in direct proportion. ఇవి ఏ proportion లో ఉన్నాయి? Direct proportion. So now I am taking like this. For your understanding purpose, 1 centimeter, it becomes what, Nana? 18 kilometers on a road map. Okay, na? Road map plus scale enti 1 centimeter is equals to, that becomes 18 kilometers. So atlane any kilometers we don't know. On a road map we don't know how many kilometers, but on the road is equals to what, Nana?
72.
That is 72 kilometers. So I am writing this one. 1:x. Clearly a ratio has no units. That's why ఈ centimeters నేను ఇక్కడ రాయట్లేదు. Okay, so 1:x is equals to 18:72. We know these are what, Nana? Means. ఈ second and third term are called the means, and first and fourth term are called what, Nana? Extremes. So the product of the means is equals to product of the extremes. Okay, product of the means is equals to product of the extremes, or product of the extremes is equals to product of the means. That is your wish. So product of the means means that is what mean terms ఏంటి ఇక్కడ x 18. Product అంటే multiply చేయాలి. x into 18 is equals to product of extremes, that is 1 into 72. So I am transposing 18 to RHS side. Then x is equals to 1 into 72 by into quantity becomes what, now division quantity. So 18 ones are 18 fours are 72. So then x is equals to what, Nana? 4. Ante Sushma drives on a road, okay, on a road 72 kilometers, but how much distance she is covered in the map lo enta distance cover chesinattu tanu, that is what, Nana? 4 centimeters distance map lo cover chesinattu. Okay, so this is the required solution for the question. Thank you.